Centrifugal pumps use a rotating device called an impeller to move fluid by stirring it faster and faster in a circular motion and then changing the increased speed into pressure. As the impeller stirs the fluid in a rapid circular motion, the centrifugal force is created that gives the pump its name. Compared with positive displacement pumps, centrifugal pumps have the advantage of being able to move higher volumes of fluids. However, they generally do not have the ability to exert as much pressure on the fluids as positive displacement pumps. Also, centrifugal pumps usually must be primed. The impeller is connected by a shaft and a coupling to a driver, such as an electric motor. During operation, the driver rotates the impeller, creating centrifugal force that pushes the fluid outward into the volute. A radial flow pump takes advantage of the maximum amount of centrifugal force that the impeller develops. Making maximum use of centrifugal force makes it possible for radial flow pumps to operate at higher discharge pressures than other types of centrifugal pumps, but they do not move as much fluid. In contrast, axial flow pumps are able to move large volumes of fluid, but only with a relatively low discharge pressure. The stuffing box is a section of the casing that encloses an assembly called the packing gland. The purpose of the packing gland is to regulate leakage past the shaft at the point where the shaft passes through the pump casing. Fluid could leak from the discharge side of the pump through the space between the impeller and the casing